In order to estimate a sum or difference, you have to round first by estimating, and then you have to do the calculation. So we're going to estimate 18.23 minus 5.754 by first rounding each number to the nearest tenth. Okay, because this ends in a TH, it's talking about the decimal places, and because a 10 has 1 0, you're talking about rounding to one decimal place. So this number and this number, those are the numbers that we're interested in rounding. Either it's going to stay or it's going to go up, and here's the rule. If it's 5 or larger after that, it goes up. 5 or larger goes up 1. So because the number after the 2 is a 3, it stays. So I'm going to leave it 18.2 minus, because the number after the 7 is a 5, that 7 you have to add 1 to it, so 5.8. So then you go ahead and subtract that. 8.2 minus 5.8 is 12.4. Okay, this is also the nearest tenth because it ends in a TH. It's talking about a decimal place, and because a 10 has 1 0, you're talking about one number after the decimal. So for the 14.34, the number after the 3 is a 4, so that's not 5 or larger, so it stays 14.3. Plus the number after the 1 is a 3, and that's not 5 or larger, so that stays. So if it's not 5 or larger, you leave it alone. So that's 21.4 when you add it. This next one says nearest whole number. That means no decimals. So we are looking for the number that's just to the left of the decimal. This number and this number. Okay, the number after the 7 is an 8. That's bigger than a 5. That means the 7 has to add 1. So 48 plus the number after this 7 is a 6, and that's larger than 5, so you have to add 1 to that 7, so that's 38. So you add those and you get 86.